So welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. So really quick, I just wanted to show you what I use for template paper. And what I use is called Chipboard, and it's 050 thick, and I get it from Uline. It's really nice. It's got a good thickness to it. It bends easily, it cuts easy, and I'm able to make all kinds of different templates with it. So I'll just give you a quick example just so you guys kind of see what we're working with. Great for any kind of bead roll panels or just any kind of small templates, anything, any kind of bracket. I usually make a template out of it, any kind of bead roll pattern. I'll draw on it, I'll fit it really perfectly, and then I'll take that and transfer it over to metal rather than wasting a bunch of material. I do sell the scraps up on my eBay garage sale page, so if there's any, instead of, if you guys just want to buy a little bit, that's available. So right now I'm making a template for the wheel well on this inner fender project that we have going on. So first thing you want to do, make yourself a template we have here. All right, as you can see, it's starting to take shape. Got the template mocked up in here real nice. You can see I made my mark. Go ahead and cut that, trim that up in there. So I think I'm at a good spot right now where I'm actually gonna cut the metal out. That way we can trim this to fit pretty perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, transfer this over to metal. Really good use of chipboard. Get your template laid out, fine tune what you need to do, and then transfer to your material.